When I tried to log into Microsoft account, I got this message. Sign into this computer using your Microsoft account. You need your current Windows password one last time. So in my PC, I doesn't have set a password. To fix this problem, you need to set a password. Open the settings and go to accounts and select sign in options. Select the drop down in password and select add option. Create a password and give it a hint. Then select next and select finish. We have successfully set it up a password. Now lock this PC and type the password we have created. Now you can able to sign in to Microsoft account. Go to accounts and select sign in. Email, type the email. Go next. Use my password, type the password. Now once you get this current Windows password, you need to type the current Windows password we have created and then select next option. Select next. For security purpose, it asking you need to create your PIN and then click on OK. I have successfully signed into my Microsoft account and I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.